Already the National Treasury has released the money that was supposed to be released, except for the current financial year. As you know, what is before the Senate has become a tussle. And we want to urge our senators to do their constitutional duty to ensure that a fair and equitable formula is arrived at so that funds are released to the counties.
And I say this on behalf of national government. We have seen projects being delayed because contractors have gotten the luxury of thinking they will get time extended. I think that time is over.